Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I saw this little 14 wide, so I wanted to jump in it and see what was going on. I'm here in Topeka, Indiana at the Champion Homes factory. I'm a sales representative here at Champion Homes. I will help you build and design your home. What we do here is we choose a floor plan that fits your family's wants and needs, such as room placement and number of rooms, things like that. And then we design it out on paper. We choose colors, options, and upgrades. So here we go with this Grabill. 14 by 66. This customer has opted to do a 2-bed, 2-bath, and I'm glad they did because I wanted to show you what happens when you do not go down a bedroom. You end up getting very large bedrooms. So this is one of the first times I've ever seen a white shutter on a white house. That's interesting. And on the end, what I was showing you there is an exterior single wide elevation. We have many to choose from. This customer has done a package. Got some gas appliances and some pure savers underneath the doors to help reinforce the doors. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, coming into the back door here, we're gonna walk, right into the furnace. Heading to the left, we'll see a kitchen with a nice corner sink and a 30 by 36 window out the sink. They've added a couple of stem lights here to highlight the bar. We've done an overhead cabinet over the refrigerator. Usually there's just a shelf there. They've also done some staggered cabinets. Looks very nice. Walking through the kitchen, this is where you're going to find the laundry area, and they've added an accent wall. Gas stove. We've got thunder on the floor, Destin white on the cabinets, bronzite on the Formica countertop. Nice sized living room. Sometimes when you get in a 14 wide, it feels kind of cramped, but not in this home. It feels very spacious because we have a larger living room. Here's the front door, heading down a very short hallway here. You'll see the second bedroom. That's the first thing you're gonna run into. Excuse me, second bath. And then here's the second bedroom. Look how big that is. So when you remove one of the bedrooms, you get a lot more space in that second bedroom. So let me stand over in this corner and give you another view of it. All right, heading back towards the other end of the home. This is a pretty typical size if you're going into a park, a 66 long and a 14 wide. Here's the primary bed. They've done perimeter heat, so you see the registers along the side of the home, up close to the walls. Always got a 4661 window in the bedroom. Stand over here in the corner for you. Nice big walk-in closet. If it were me, I would add a double rack. Coming into the primary bath, we've got a single vanity, but I wanted to show you this. You can opt to get your shower with no doors. So it's still the same shower, 2-seater with no doors, but they've got the curved curtain rod up there because they're gonna do a shower curtain. All right, there you have it, folks. Cute little single wide 14 by 66. We call this home the Grabill. If you purchase from the Mobile Home Mama and let me help you design your home, I will put some groceries in your fridge. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Thanks so much and have a great weekend.